currents now. Yesterday I discussed some formulas, Nana. Today I discuss some formulas. Look here, Nana. In the alternating currents, power consumed in the circuit. Power consumed in an AC circuit. This can be discussed. Simply called as consume means loss or dissipation. That means here some electrical energy will be converted into heat energy. How much will be converted into heat energy? This can be discussed now, Satvik. Manish, power consumed. Consume means loss. Power loss in an AC circuits. This is the formula, Nana. Power equal to V naught I naught. Okay, look here. Cos phi. This is the formula for power loss, power consumed, power dissipation in an AC circuits. Okay. Here, Nana, this is the formula for power, Nana. In the situation, sorry, Nana, small mistake. V naught I naught by 2. This is the correct. Once again, power consumed in an AC circuits. V naught I naught cos phi whole by 2. Here, in the circuit, cos phi is called power factor. Cos phi is called power factor. Okay? Here V naught is called maximum voltage. I naught is called maximum current. Some textbooks it is denoted by E naught. Okay? This right. Look here. E naught by root 2. I naught by root 2 into cos phi. Okay? Look here, Nana. This is the formula for power, Nana. Power equal to E naught by root 2, write as in the chapter RMS voltage. I naught by root 2, write as RMS current into cos phi. This is another formula for power consumed in an AC circuits. What is the first formula? E naught I naught by 2 into cos phi. What is the second formula? ERMS IRMS into cos phi. These two formulas are very useful to solve the problems. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి నాన్న కనిపిస్తుంది కైలేష్. Okay, look here now. Here phi. What is the phi? Phi is angle between voltage and current. Once again I repeat. Phi is angle between voltage and current. Phi is angle between voltage and current. Okay, next one. Look here, all of you, Nana, Kailesh, Manish. Look here, all of you. Nagendra Prasad. Look here, Nana. Power consumed in AC circuits completed. Okay? Lightly I discuss some formulas. Average currents. Look here, Nana. Average currents during positive half cycle. గుర్తుందా మీకు ఫార్ములా? ఏంటి ఫార్ములా? 2I0/pi. Average current during positive half cycle 2 by pi. Here I naught is maximum current. It will be solved. Finally we get 0.60 I naught. Okay na? Look here. Alane average current during negative half cycle is minus 2 I naught by pi. Average currents during complete cycle it becomes 0. Average current during positive half cycle 2 I naught by pi. Negative half cycle minus 2 I naught by pi. Complete cycle 0. Okay, look here now. Nana intaki AC ante idega sinusoidal wave. Look here. This is called cycle. This is called positive half cycle. This is called negative half cycle. Complete cycle average current is 0. That means this type of currents cannot be measured. That's why Indian government follow RMS current. RMS current means current passing through the resistor. Current passing through the resistor. Heat will be generated. What is the formula for Q? Heat formula I square RMS RT. Heat formula according to Joule's law I square RT. This is the formula for heat according to Joule's law. Okay? It will be solved. Finally, IRMS, simply RMS current during complete cycle. What is the formula? RMS current complete cycle formula Bangaru Kondalu I naught by root 2. ERMS, simply RMS voltage complete cycle. It becomes E naught by root 2. Look here. RMS current complete cycle I naught by root 2. ERMS E naught by root 2. It will be solved. Finally we get 0.707 I naught, 0.707 E naught. Okay? And again RMS currents. Hello? Square RMS mathematical formula integration of I square dt by integration of dt. Look here now. I square RMS equal to integration of I square dt by integration of dt. This is another formula for RMS currents. Okay? This is completed. First to draw the phase diagram, all are combined. Okay, look here now. On the x-axis, always current. This is EMF through resistor. This is EMF through inductor. This is EMF through capacitor. Look here. This is EMF through resistor, EMF through inductor, EMF through capacitor. Look here. This is the diagram. Okay? Nana, here. For example, this is the resistor nana. Its resistance denoted by R. What is the SI unit of resistance? Ohm. For example, this is the coil nana. Coil having resistance, that is denoted by XL. Here XL is called inductive reactance. Inductive reactance. Inductive reactance. Here this formula is XL formula is omega L. Once again I repeat. XL formula is omega L. Okay. Next none. This is the capacitor none. Capacitor. Here its resistance is XC. XC formula is 1 by omega C. Xc is called capacitive reactance. Okay. Here R is called resistance. This is here resistor resistance R, coil resistance XL, capacitor resistance XC. For example, the given circuit is LR. LR means I draw phase diagram. This is ER. Look here. This is EL. We know that. In the situation, this diagram right. This is resistance R. Inductor having resistance is XL. Okay. Here none. Common resistance is, look here, this is the common resistance. Common resistance is called Z. Once again I repeat, look here. This is the ER, this is the EL. This is resultant. According to parallelogram law, resultant always act between. For example, this is ER. Simply its resistance is R. For example, this is EL. Parallel is EL parallel XL resistance. This is E net. E net means total resistance in the circuit is called Z. Okay. Here none. This angle is here I also there none. On the x-axis current also present. Current ki voltage ki between angle already discussed phi. Here phi none. We know that power factor. For example, power factor denoted by cos phi. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Simply adjacent side R, hypotenuse side Z. What is the formula for power factor? R by Z. R by Z. Okay? R by Z nana. R by Z. Look here nana, all of you. అంటే సింపుల్గా అది ఎల్ఆర్ కావచ్చు, సిఆర్ కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. మరి ఇంపిడెన్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పండి. ఇంపిడెన్స్ అంటే మీరు చెప్పండి. ఇంపిడెన్స్ అంటే జెడ్ నాన్న. ఇంపిడెన్స్ అంటే జెడ్. ఓకేనా? ఇంపిడెన్స్ అంటే జెడ్ నాన్న. హియర్ లుక్ హియర్ నాన్న. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంపిడెన్స్ అంటే జెడ్ నాన్న. Z means total resistance in the circuit. Total resistance in the circuit is called impedance. Total resistance in the circuit is called as impedance. Next keyword nana, admittance. Nana. Admittance means it is denoted by Y. Admit means reciprocal of the impedance is called admittance. Once again, what is the impedance meaning in the topic? Total resistance in the circuit. Resistance means opposition. total opposition in the circuit is called impedance. To reciprocal of the impedance is called admittance. Reciprocal of the impedance is called admittance. Here impedance SI unit is ohm because resistance its SI unit is ohm inverse. Next I discuss wattless currents. Wattless current, very important topic. Look here, this is the last topic today. Okay, wattless current. Look here now. We know the phase diagram in your mind. This is the current. For example, this is the E net. This is IRMS. This is ERMS. This is net voltage in the AC circuit. For example, IT, ET between angle eppudu enta phi. Phi is angle between E voltage and current. Here I resolve into two components. This is called IRMS cos phi. Angle says cos. This is, look here, IRMS sin phi. Look here. Okay na? Generally today I discuss power consumed in the AC circuit formula. ERMS, IRMS, cos phi. Simply this is power. Look here. This is power. Simply this component is called not depends upon the power. So that's why this is powerless component, that is called wattless component. This current component is called as wattless current because this is the power. Here the angle is 90 degrees. ఇప్పుడు దీనికి ఇది P అనుకోండి. P అయితే దిస్ ఏమవుతుంది? P cos 90 అవుతుంది. Cos 90 ఏమవుతుంది? 0. Simply power component is 0 in the direction. That's why these currents are called wattless currents. ఎప్పుడైనా వాట్లెస్ కరెంట్ అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏం చెప్తారు మనీష్? వాట్లెస్ కరెంట్. నాగేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ చూసి చెప్పాలి. IRMS sin phi √2 sin phi. ఓకేనా? మీరు ఇప్పుడు వర్క్ తీసిన